Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, I was falling down, almost. The weather is very nice, even though it's snowy. I love it. Green and really white at the same time. It looks very good. I just want to tell you that I have found a solution. Please check the video, and if it helps you, please subscribe to my channel. I will appreciate your support. Bye! Thank you guys for watching the video. If it was helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would appreciate your support very much. See you later. Bye!